We're heading back to Kentucky for dinner with Amberlynn Reid. Tonight, it's poke bowls. If you've never had them before, they're a Hawaiian treat. Everything's all in one big bowl. Rice, seaweed salad, vegetables, anything you'd like really. It's sort of like deconstructed sushi. While it's one of my favorite foods, I've never actually made poke at home before. It's cheaper to buy it from a restaurant unless you're making it for a crowd. My local poke shop has over 30 toppings in all, and each bowl is just under $15. Quite a bargain. Let's see how Amberlynn likes to make it.
And some onion in this white vinegar, salt, sugar situation that Feline is making. So that's what I'm having. She's currently in the oven because that's how I like making her. And then we're gonna have some radish, some carrots, scallion. I want some broccoli, avocado. I'm gonna make like a sriracha mayo. Try to. The place where I get poke bowls, they put these wasabi peas in my poke bowl and it's delicious. And we have some edamame. So it's gonna be like a whole moment. I'm excited. So we also put some cucumber, some garlic, and then some sesame seeds. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. Gonna stir it. All right, it's time to build my bowl. We have the rice. So first things after the rice is my salmon, which I already shredded it up. Next is some steamed broccoli. This obviously isn't like a real poke bowl, so do not come for me. I'm just adding things that sound good and that I know I would enjoy in a bowl. Some radish, some carrots, some more carrots, some avocado, the pickled cucumber and onion, some edamame, some sriracha peas, which I'll put here and there. I meant to say, did I say wasabi peas?
Oh, it's just wrong.
I meant to say wasabi peas. And then a dollop of sriracha mayo that I made. Hopefully it tastes good. Some scallion all around, which is like my favorite part. Some sesame seeds. And the tiniest bit of soy sauce, I'm just gonna go over it like that. There is my homemade poke bowl. Wow.
For my poke bowl, I'm using a combination of things I have on hand and things that I bought just to make this. I've got shredded carrots, corn, and I'm chopping up a little bit of cucumber. For my protein, I've got 3 big shrimp that I boiled and I'm just chopping up. You don't want to boil them too long, just 3 or 4 minutes, enough so that they turn pink. Like Amberlynn, I generally like sriracha mayo on my poke, so I'm mixing the shrimp with about a tablespoon of mayo and a good squeeze of sriracha on top. If you don't like it spicy, just use a little garlic powder and a touch of paprika. For the base of the bowl, you can use any kind of rice you'd like, or even some salad greens. I made sushi rice in the rice cooker and seasoned it with rice wine vinegar, salt, and a little bit of sugar. Add on your veggies and leave a little room on top for your protein. The edamame I used was frozen, and the corn was just niblets from the can. You don't have to get too fancy. The cucumber and carrots were fresh. When you get poke at a restaurant, your last toppings are generally your crunchy stuff. So here I'm using some shredded nori, or seaweed, and some fried garlic. If you don't have any, you could also use those fried onions that you put on top of salads. The final touch on my poke bowl was seaweed salad, or wakame salad. You'll find this in the freezer section of your local Asian store, or buy the prepared sushi at your grocery store. It's a little expensive, but totally worth it. It adds a briny touch to your dish. And that's it. What do you think? If you try to make this at home, don't worry about needing expensive fish or shrimp. You could even use that fake crab meat, shredded up and mixed with sriracha mayo. It's really tasty. Mr. Cat Voice even enjoyed this, and he tends to like his poke bowls really spicy. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Will you be trying poke bowls at home?